So in this tutorial we're going to be assembling the base unit for a CNC machine. So we've got our sketch plane ready. We're going to import a couple of files. Now only these two files are going to be used to make our base assembly. So we're going to import them both. So we'll select them both with the control key selected, which means we can select them both, then open. And although it's a blank screen, we have imported them. I'll press the H key, which should bring them into view. Yes. Now the first action is to place this channel into the first position on the angle. So I'm going to drag the hub to this locating hole here, this fixing hole, and then select the up to tool, zoom in a bit, and that hole has now to line up with this fixing hole here. Okay, that's that done. So that hole now is in line with that one. But we need this top face, drag it onto the top face, and it's gone into the middle. And that needs to be level with the underside of here, with the up to tool selected. There we have the first one in place, and we see that all the holes are in line beautifully. Okay, now we need another one of these on the other side. So this is the angle strap. Now what's happened here is that the anchor handles have remained in position. Now you can still drag this part with the anchor handles there, but if you want the anchor handles to be associated more obviously with this part, just select anywhere, click and select, then select the angle strap, and the handles will be associated with the part in question. So that's a little tip for you. Now I'm going to Control Z back to where that was, there we are, and click to get the anchor handle out of the way, then select angle strap. Now by holding the control key I can drag another one off, and of course it needs to be rotated 180 degrees. Then we need to position it, so we drag the hub to that fixing hole, up to that hole, and there it is in position. So now we've got two straps. Now what we need to do is to put several more of these along the length of these angle straps. So in total we need 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 of them. So we'll select the first main channel. Now we're going to move this, but we're going to create patterns. I know that these are equally spaced along here, so we're going to create patterns and select the up to tool, move that to one of the holes there. So with the create patterns and the up to tool, we select that hole there, and it's moved an extra one to this end, but we've got a count highlighted here of 2, but we need 7, so we'll just type 7, return. Click anywhere, H key, and there's our base plate, base assembly. And that shows an important technique of creating patterns rather than individually placing each one of those. We can do them all in one.